Welcome, everybody, to another edition of Taurus Cryptocurrency News. I'm your host, Joe Nobody. What the hell is going on, guys? All kinds of crazy stuff going on out there in the crypto market and in the crypto universe, and we need to talk about some stuff right here because I know a lot of people are worried, and I'm not going to lie, I'm getting a little bearish myself, all right? The bull is getting a little bearish. So we're going to talk about some things. We're going to go over the news. So let's jump right into it. Let's not waste any more time with an introduction here. So here we go. Let's start it off with just a little bit of a recap. Okay, everything's not looking too good right now. Right, you got Bitcoin down 6%, 17% for the week. You've got Ethereum down 9%, 23% for the week. Binance Coin down 8%, 17% for the week. Cardano is down 17% on the week. We're down to $1.28 on Cardano, 9%, 9.5% so far. Dogecoin down 22%, down 34% for the week. Guys, if you're not out of Doge, take your profits and get out. All right, this bubble's bursting. I'm telling you that right now. Polkadot, even though it got its listing on Coinbase, it's down 14% and 28% for the week. And everything is just pretty much red, guys. It's not a good couple of days, couple of weeks, month for crypto. It looked like we had a little bit of a glimmer of hope there, and I think it's the start of it, guys. I told the listeners out there to start paying attention on the 20th. It's now the 21st, and the big date to watch is going to be the 25th. All right, so I'm going to tell you probably in part 2 of this of what my strategy is. So you got to listen through this because I want to get through the news, and then I'm going to talk about kind of what my strategy is. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. So getting into it, the Cubes, Mark Cuban, one of the biggest advocates of cryptocurrencies, got the rug pulled out from under him. And I've talked about these rug pulls all the time, guys, and how important it is to do your research. And even billionaire investors like Mark Cuban, all right, they fall into this trap. So this is off Decrypt. The bottom has fallen out on Titan, part of a multi-chain, partial collateralized algorithmic stablecoin ecosystem from Iron Finance, and billionaire DeFi investor Mark Cuban's wallet balance may have fallen with it. The price of Titan fell to zero. All right, and if you see the chart on this, guys, it's like that Price is Right game, right? You know the yodeler. It's yodelady, yodelady, yodelady. Oh! I mean, this thing dropped like a rock, guys. And if you had your money in it, you lost all your money on this rug pull. And I'm not going to go into the reason why, obviously the, Titan and Iron or whoever, they're talking about what happened, what exactly happened. But you went from a price of 60 down to nothing. So a lot of good people out there lost their money. Was it manipulation from a whale? Was it a true rug pull? Nobody knows. But even Mark Cuban came out saying he made a mistake. He should have done more research into what he was getting himself into on these rug pulls. And guys, we're in a bubble right now. There is no getting around that. All right, crypto is about to pop. All right, and a lot of these coins, these rug pull coins, are going to get flatlined. They're absolutely going to get decimated. So if you're not involved in something like Ethereum or Cardano or Bitcoin or Polkadot or your projects like that have use case for the future of cryptocurrency, you guys are going to lose it. All right. If you're still on Twitter and Reddit, telling everybody diamond hands, bro. All right, no diamond hands on Doge. Okay. Because all you're going to do is convince all these other clowns out there to hold on to Doge, and you guys are going to be holding the money bags while it goes to zero. All right, Doge has no use case. All right, it's hype, and the hype train's ending. All right, I'm sorry to say that if you're a huge fan of Doge, but, cut your losses while you can, or get out, or put your money into another project. All right, so moving on, that was the market. Let me sum it up. It sucks. It's red. It's not looking too good, guys. I think we could see, in the next 5 days here, I think we could see sub 30,000 Bitcoin. I think you're going to be dancing with the devil around 28,000. And I've said it before, I'm a little bearish on Bitcoin. All right, when we had our little rise the other day, I thought maybe we were hitting our ceiling, and I did jump into a little bit. But obviously I'm regretting that one now. Okay, because I'm not a financial advisor. I just kind of, go by the information out there and my own experience, and I thought we were going to hit that 42K ceiling, and we might have seen quite a bit of support at that level, but we did not. All right, we bounced back down, and we're down to 32,000, and I think over the next 5 days here, especially on the 25th of June, you are going to see sub 30,000 Bitcoin, which, of course, everything else is going to drop. We're down to 1966 on Ethereum right now, so... And then Cardano, we're down to $1.28. That's not good. Not good at all. And why is this happening? Well, some big news came out of China. China is going to shut down over 90% of its Bitcoin mining capacity after local bans. So China's throwing a big fortune cookie monkey wrench into this whole crypto mining and Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market. And I don't know why they're doing. Well, I know why they're doing this, because they're terrified of crypto, and they want to keep their people down by not allowing them to better themselves or financially better themselves in cryptocurrency. So they're really cracking down. And we've heard it year after year after year that China is going to be, they're putting a ban on crypto, or they're doing this, that, or the other crypto. But now they are. Okay, so they're shutting down over 90% of its Bitcoin mining capacity, which I say, hey, let them shut it down. Bring it to North America. All right, let them shut down Bitcoin mining. Bring Bitcoin mining to Latin America, North America, Central America. All right, we don't need China. All right, and I don't know why this is such a knee-jerk reaction, but we really don't need China for cryptocurrency, okay? I'm sure the South Koreans can figure out a real good way, or they already have, or they're already doing it, to mine crypto. I know there's a lot of smart people in the U.S., a lot of brilliant minds out there in Latin America. Bring the... excuse me, I got to take a drink here. Bring the Bitcoin mining out of China, and who cares? Who gives a shit? What good has the Chinese ever done? Besides making those little rubber things that you get at Chuck E. Cheese. All right, anyway, this is off payments.com. China has called together representatives from its biggest banks to reinforce a ban on providing cryptocurrency services. Bloomberg reported Monday, June 21st. The banks in question were Industrial and Commercial Bank of China, Agricultural Bank of China, and what does it matter? It's all controlled by the Chinese government. Whatever name you want to put on it. How about Chinese Bank? Okay. The country's ongoing crackdown on crypto is happening as Bitcoin fell by 10%, and the Chinese government put a halt to crypto mining in the province of Sichuan on June 18th, as reported Monday. China is responsible for more than half the world's Bitcoin production, and Sichuan is the country's second largest mining operation. All right, so what does that mean to you? To me, it says, all right, there's going to be more Bitcoin available out there for everybody to mine now. All right, and it's going to be out of the Chinese government's hands. So maybe down the road, that's going to be a good thing. But right now, it's obviously affecting the markets, and there's a whole lot of FUD. There's a whole lot of people getting real nervous about that. And it is a big deal because it's affecting the market. It's not like an Elon Musk tweet that's going to give a little bit of a knee-jerk reaction and cause the market to drop for a day or two. This thing is going to have some long-lasting effects until the market as a whole finds a way to recover from it. And not only that, but we've got contracts expiring June 25th, which could throw another ginormous monkey wrench into this entire thing. I'm usually pretty bullish on crypto, but, Kenny Rogers said, you got to know when to hold them and you got to know when to fold them. And right now, I don't think I'm going to be holding. I think I'm going to be folding. And I'm going to talk a little bit more on that and what that means. Am I cashing out? No. Okay. I'm not cashing out, but I potentially see an opportunity here to pull my money out of the exchanges and to pull my money out, of this just crazy volatility right now and play a little waiting game. Let's wait and see. All right. I know all the YouTubers out there, everybody, we're in a bull run. I don't think so. All right. I thought we were in a bull run and we were just showing some bearish trends there for a little bit, but we keep getting knocked down with all this crap and all this news, and unfortunately this affects the market, okay? And you can call it, maybe it is whale manipulation, all right? Maybe there are billionaires out there that are trying to drop the price so much so they can scoop up as much Bitcoin into their greedy little goblin hands as they can, and then all of a sudden you're going to see a parabolic shift and Bitcoin's going to go through the roof. That could be a potential scenario, all right? You have a lot of people investing in Bitcoin right now. Obviously, Warren Buffett is dipping his toes into, a form of a digital currency bank. The Winklevoss twins, Elon Musk, Mark Cuban. There's billionaires all over the place that are starting now to get interested in Bitcoin. What is it? Kevin Leary, is that his name? Off of Shark Tank, who thought Bitcoin was a scam. And now he's talking about it at the Miami conference. Is it Kevin O'Leary? I forget his name. All right. I know who he is. I just can't think of his name right now. Mr. Wonderful. Okay. But if you listen to him talk about Bitcoin, he does have some valid points. And he is worth listening to because he's got a lot of money. And how do people get a lot of money? Usually by being smart with their money. They've either scammed somebody, or they've worked hard, or they've been super cheap and accumulated wealth over time. So it could be a combo of all three. I'm not going to say that for sure, but anyway, going over the daily hodl here. Here's how Bitcoin can survive the death cross, and this is another one, guys, that's just driving the price down on Bitcoin. All right. Crypto analyst Benjamin Cohen is weighing in on one bearish indicator that has caught the attention of Bitcoin bulls. In a new strategy session, I should say. God, I cannot talk. Cohen takes a look at the death cross, or the crossing of Bitcoin's 50-day moving average below the 200-day moving average. The event is usually seen by many traders as a bearish indicator, and that is usually a bearish indicator in your traditional stock market, but we've seen death crosses before, and then we've seen a bounce up from that death cross on Bitcoin. So I don't know what that means, guys. Like I said, all right, you can flip a coin on whether crypto's going to go up or down. It's a crazy market right now. The closely followed analyst reminds his 465,000 subscribers that moving averages are lagging indicators that often tell us what we already know. Do you have to be told that things have been bearish recently? No, you don't. No, you don't. That is the brilliant comment of this. No, we've all seen it bearish. Okay, we see some bearish indicators. All right, we're down. I don't know, out of the last 30 days, like 26 days out of them or something like that. So yeah, I would say that's a bearish indicator. Cohen, who has previously put forth the idea of lengthening bull cycles for Bitcoin, says that an extended period of consolidation and ranging is in store for the flagship crypto asset. The analyst asserts that he believes Bitcoin is going to $100,000, but that more time is required to get to that price target than many anticipate. And I couldn't agree more. I've heard a lot of figures being thrown out there in the six-figure range by the fall. I think I've even made a couple calls, but that's when we were showing more bullish trends. Okay, I don't think we're showing bullish trends at the moment right now. I think we're showing very, very bearish trends. So we're coming up to the 15-minute mark here, guys. Stay tuned for part 2. I'm going to talk a little bit more about what my strategy is going to be over the course of the next week, moving forward with what's going on to the market. Thank you for listening. This is Taurus Cryptocurrency News. I'm your host, Joe Nobody. Stick around and check out that second video to hear my strategy on what I'm going to be doing for the next week here. Take care of each other, invest wisely, don't overextend yourself, and be nice. Have a great day.